Hear that? That's a mechanical keyboard. And a lot of them aren't as noisy as mine, but this was I guess an included one, you would say. I wouldn't say it's free, but it was included with a PC that my son got from CyberPower. That's what that logo is. And it's actually really nice. It's aluminum. The only thing I don't like is it's kind of noisy. So this video is how to cheaply make it a little quieter. I want to use this app to see how noisy it is. So let's reset max. I'm just using the L key. Alright, so if you can see over here, it looks like we're at about minus 35 decibels. Alright, so this little kit I got from Amazon, it's a bunch of O-rings and a little keycap puller. And basically all you're supposed to do is put this keycap puller over your key, lift up. Okay. So you pull it up and you see underneath there's just this plastic part. You take the O-ring and just put it over it, just like that. Now I'm going to push it back onto the keyboard. Alright, so we were minus 35 decibels. Now let's reset the decibel meter. So I hit that key a couple times and now we're about negative 60 on here. So it definitely made a big difference. It's not huge, but I'm going to go ahead and do the whole keyboard. This whole kit I don't even think was $10. I can't remember. But I'll put a link to it in this video description.